Alright, this is a scale factor, part 2 of the dilations for quiz 5 review. On here it says triangle A prime, B prime, C prime is the image of triangle ABC under a dilation. And the actual question, what is the scale factor of the dilation? So what we're going to do is and this is the original, this kind of teal color here. We're going to measure one of the points here. We're going to measure it on the original, and then we're going to measure it on the triangle that's been dilated. We're going to see what the difference is. So AB is the easiest. You always want to choose one of the sides where it is either going straight up and down vertically or straight across horizontally. Don't use one of the sides that are slanted, because we don't get an accurate count there. Okay, so from A to B, it's 1. And then over here, if we count, it's from A prime to B prime. It's 1, 2, 3. So from 1 to 3, the scale factor was 3, because if we start at 1, we have to multiply 1 by 3 to get to A prime to B prime. Yeah, okay. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and check this. Alright. I'm going to exit out of this. And okay, now I am in dilate triangles. Triangle A prime, B prime, C prime is the image of triangle ABC under a dilation whose center is P and a scale factor of 4/3, so 4/3. Okay, so immediately I see 4/3. That's bigger than 1 whole. That means that this triangle right here, triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, is going to be bigger than this teal colored original triangle here. So my options, I'm going to look for the one that gets a little bit bigger. And the question is, sorry, I should have read this first. Which figure correctly shows triangle A prime, B prime, C prime using the solid line? Okay, so again, the original is kind of this dashed teal color, and then the one that's going to be dilated with the scale factor of 4/3 is going to be the solid line. Okay, and the center is P. So that means that my triangle is going to be a little bit outside of this blue one, but none of the lines will be the same. So that rules out A, because the lines shouldn't be exactly the same. They shouldn't be on that same line together. Ooh, but B is looking promising. A little bit bigger. And right outside that blue, teal blue triangle. Alright, this is no bueno, because this right here is showing me that it's being enlarged from the B angle. So no good. This is getting smaller. Alright, so my answer is definitely B. Okay. Alright, and now the last one here. Triangle A prime, B prime, C prime is a result of dilating triangle ABC about point C by a scale factor of 2. Determine whether each claim about the properties triangle ABC and triangle A prime, B prime, C prime is true or false. Alright, so basically this right here, the prime triangle is going to be scaled with a factor of 2, but they don't show it, but we can visualize it. It says A, B are on the same line. Nope, that's not true. This right here, that's not where it's being centered about, so that's definitely not true. Because the triangle, once we scale it using a factor of 2, the triangle is going to be out here somewhere. So line AB is going to be out here. It won't be directly on AB, on the original. And then it says the measures of angle B and angle B prime are equal. That is true. Alright, so both of these are true. Alright. Something's wrong. Oh, why did I mark true on this? This is definitely false. I just said that that was false. These are not on the same line because our triangle that's being dilated would be above this. So I marked this true, but actually it was false. Alright, so let me check again. Alright, I improved my answer. Yes, I did. Okay, so that about sums up the review for quiz 5. Got any more questions? Let me know.